Travel Awards. The very first award in this category is India's leading airline. And I request Mrs. Fia Shaw, Director of Shawman Software, once again to please come up on stage and do the honors of presenting this award. The award for this category goes to October Kingfisher Airlines. May I request Mr. Praveen Shetty, Head of Brand Communications, to please come and accept the award. Kingfisher Airlines, where you are made to feel like an honored guest and not just a passenger. Well, it's not merely a flight, it's not a journey between two airports, but an experience. It's what they believe of a lifetime. And of course, it's world-class. Every Kingfisher aircraft meets the global standards.
Yeah, I'm feeling good, and thanks a lot. And you know, from the day we actually started this airline in 2005, we always felt that we are not in transportation business, but we are in business of aviation hospitality, and getting an Indian Hospitality Excellence Award, I think this makes us proud. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. India's leading low-budget cost carrier. And my request, Mr. Nilesh Motiram, Regional Business Manager of Fresh and Honest Coffee Limited, Ladakh, to please come up on stage and present the award. And the award goes to Go Airlines. May I request Mr. Kamal Kikani, Vice President of Customer Service in Airports, to please come up on stage and receive the award. It was launched in its operation in November 2005 as a low-fare carrier. It offers airline seats at marginal premium to train fares across India. And it's positioned as the smart people's airline. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause.
Thank you, IGA, for this honor. From a very young age, working to connect India and bring Indians closer. This is just the beginning. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Now may I request Mr. Abhishek Agarwal, Director of Bharat Portraits Limited, to present the next category for us. Leading Business Travel Agency. And the award goes to Kyoni India. West Seen the business head of Kyoni India, and accept the award. The travel group of countries' largest travel and company, 50% subsidy. India's only travel brand focused on exclusively on the premium segment. Congratulations!
Thank you, Ayachi. I guess it's our customer centricity and the people that make us proud every time. Thank you very much.
The next category of awards is India's most preferred airline for luxury. And of course, it's once again it goes to Kingfisher Airlines. And I request Mr. Praveen Shetty, Head of Brand Communication, to come and accept the award. Congratulations! Once again, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause for Kingfisher Airlines. It's India's preferred airline for business class. May I request Mr. Nilesh Patel, Group Director, and Mr. Shajit Thomas, Business Head of Paws Wines, once again to come and present the award. The award goes to Jet Airways. May I request Mr. Gilbert George, Senior General Manager, to come and accept the award. Jet Airways, the best domestic airline, has won many international awards and accolades, and once again, it well deserves an IAT award for excellence.
Feel absolutely thrilled, delighted, and proud. We work hard, we'll work harder. Thank you, IGA.
I'd request Mr. Manjul Trihan to come up on stage to present the award for the best airline. And the award goes to Air India. Mr. Rao, General Manager, to please come and accept the award. Congratulations, it is indeed India's national flag carrier, a recent merger.
Thank you so much. Thanks to IGA. Air India is delighted to receive this award this evening. We've been around for a long time. Old is gold. And as my compatriots mentioned a moment ago, we work hard, we'll work harder, and we'll try and exceed your expectations in the years to come. God bless.
The next category of awards is India's best luxury train. And may I request Mr. Mahesh Tapase once again to come and present the award. India's best luxury train ought to be Palace on Wheels. May I request Mr. Pradeep Bohra, General Manager, to please come and accept the award. Well deserved. It's a splendid and enchanting royal journey to the bygone era on Earth's wall of Maharajas. Through times have changed and the winds have shifted, but the Palace on Wheels cruises along in the royal style, the kind only Maharajas would have experienced 7 days heaven on earth experience. Thanks a ton. You guys are really amazing, and you have to say, how do you feel?
Thanks to IEHE, and Palace on Wheels has become the brand name. So many trains are coming up. I wish we should get the award ever so. And we have got the international award also, the PAT award also, award from the Condé Nast Travel magazine also. But this is synergy, and this is my teamwork, and thanks to the Rajasthan government. Thank you very much.
India's most preferred land transportation company. And may I request Mr. Nilesh Patil and Mr. Thomas of Paws Wines once again to come up and present the award. Award goes to Meru Cabs. May I request Mr. Neeraj Gupta, Managing Director of Meru Cabs, to please come and accept the award. It's so amazing, isn't it? First launched in Mumbai in April 2007, as it's grown exponentially in terms of fleet and size and geographical presence. 24/7 service.
Thank you, Archie. I think you are about to say land transformation company, and I think that's what we have done, and I'm proud that we have done that. Thank you.
The next phase of awards is our very special award. The first in this category is India's most popular coffee joint. May I request Mr. Param Kanampi, Chairman and Managing Director of Concept Hospitality, to please come and present the award. Okay, the award goes to ought to be Cafe Coffee Day. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Mr. Anil Nair, Territory Head of Western Head, to come and accept the award. Congratulations. Cafe Coffee Day is India's favorite coffee shop where the young at heart unwind. Coffee is all most organized retail chain of coffees in India, functioning in every nook and corner of the country, drawing inspiration. So, how do you feel?
Best wishes in order for IHEA for launching this portal, and thank you for this honor. And we just don't take the breath away, we take your sleep away. Thank you.
Wonderful. The next award is India's most preferred hotel chef. And to present the award, may I please call upon Mr. Mahesh Tapase, once again the spokesperson of a National Congress Party, to present the award. And this award goes to Executive Master Chef of Hotel Taj Palace and Towers, Mumbai, Mr. Hemant Oberoi. And due to prior commitment, he was not present here with us. May I request Mr. Saran Oberoi, son of Mr. Hemant Oberoi, to please come and accept the award on behalf of your father. I would like to tell you that his father is so amazing. He accompanies the Prime Minister of India on trips overseas. And also, he's catered special events for world leaders during his visit to Mumbai, including President Clinton, Prince Charles, George Bush, and all. First to say how great he is, and I want you to say it.
He's great. I mean, I feel like I don't know. I feel like the guy's collecting the awards for Americana at the film fair. He's just never there. But I'd just like to thank you all. Good luck to IHEA, and did a splendid job. And very sorry you couldn't make it here. Thank you.
Our next set of awards is India's best lounge bar. And may I request Mr. Nilesh Patil and Shaji Thomas of Paws Wines and Ideas to come and present the award. The award goes to Blue Floor Club. May I request Mr. Joe Sequeira, Head of Operations, to come and accept the award. Congratulations.
small story. Sequoia is not here. I'm Nelson, the head of operation of Brewfrog. And thank you so much for a great evening, and thank you, IHE, for recognizing people and the hospitality in such great manner. Just to let you know, from a tadpole, we became a frog, and defrogging everywhere. Starting from Delhi to Pune, and now everywhere. Thank you so much, and be prepared.
Next award is in the category of India's best nightclub. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for China House Hotel Grand Hyatt. I request Mr. Jameson Solomon, Assistant Director, Food and Beverages, to come and accept the award. Congratulations once again. It is so unique paradigm to dining and lounging in the city. The main features of the lounge is center island style LED light bar, in-house signature beverages, classics, unique place to be.
Well, Hyatt are the pioneers in food and beverage concepts. They're pretty innovative. And to be able to create a lounge, and that too with Chinese base or feel, is something which was unique and missing from Mumbai. And this is what we presented more than 4 years ago. And please, all are welcome to experience it again if you haven't already. Thank you.
The next award goes to, as in the award category, is India's best IT infrastructure hotel. May I request Mrs. Fida Shaw, once again of Showman Software, to do the honors. And the award goes to Hotel Leela, Kempinski, Mumbai. May I request Mr. Vivas Joshi, IT Manager, to come and accept the award. Kempinski, within the bustling heart of India's commercial entertainment, Mecca lays one of the finest luxurious hotel in Mumbai, within the tranquility of 11 acres of lush landscape gardens and cascading waterfalls. Only 5 minutes away from the airport, is well equipped with world-class facilities and warm, friendly service, providing the ideal gateway from which explores the northern Mumbai's commercial hub. Congratulations.
Good evening. Thank you, IHA, for honoring the infrastructure of our hotel. It's our constant endeavor to get the next practices in IT infrastructure.
And what is your success story?
Leela hotels are known for its essence of India being contemporary, so that's the best success.
All right, then next is the most preferred architect for hotel projects. May I request Mr. Arvind Jain, Director of Arihant Rani Mart, to come and do the honors? The award goes to the well-deserved architect Bobby Mukherjee. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for architect Bobby. It's been over a decade that he started his business. All he believes in saying nothing and let your work speak instead. He's been very successful. His work for Spruce won him the Best Restaurant Design Awards by Square Magazine. Bobby, glad to meet you once again. I know you believe action speaks louder than words, but here you have to say a few words.
Thanks, IGA. I'm so glad that being an architect, I could have very well been designing stuff for real estate developers and factories or industry or software parks, but I'm glad that we designed for the hospitality industry. It's great. We have a great time, super fun working with you guys.